Let's talk about that hard, chalky buildup on your teeth, that tartar. You brush, you floss, maybe you even use a harsh mouthwash, but it just keeps coming back. And that film you feel? It's not just leftover food, it's a calculated, intelligent defense system. Millions of bacteria are building literal fortresses in your mouth, hiding from your immune system. And today, I'm going to show you how to tear those fortresses down with something you can make in your kitchen. This will not only stop the tartar, but with regular use could get rid of it for good. See, the bacteria living in your mouth are in a constant battle for survival. To protect themselves from your body's own immune system, and even the antibiotics we take, they build something called a biofilm. You can think of it as tiny, microscopic houses made of calcium. Inside these little fortresses, these biofilms, the bacteria are safe. They're shielded. It's their survival mechanism. It's why 95% of all bacteria, not just in your body, but in the world, live this way. If you've ever picked up a rock from a river and felt that slippery, slimy coating, that's a biofilm. And it's happening right now in your mouth, using your own saliva. All these bacteria need to thrive is what you're already giving them. Water from your saliva and sugar. And when these colonies get too big, when they have this overabundance of biofilms, that's when the real problems start. It's not just an ugly buildup. It's the deep, persistent smell on your breath. It's the swelling in your gums, that redness, the bleeding you see when you brush. It's the reason you have to go to the dentist for that painful scraping just to get it removed. But what if you could manage this yourself easily with a simple mouthwash you can make right at home? The first ingredient is simple: baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. Here's the psychology of what's happening. When these biofilms grow, the bacteria inside produce a ton of acid. This acid plunges the pH level in your mouth, and at a low pH, around 3.5, something terrible happens: decalcification. Calcium literally starts to leach out of your teeth and your bones and into your system. And what do you think those bacteria use to build their tiny calcium houses? Exactly, they are farming your own body for their building materials. This is what causes cavities. The calcium is leaving your teeth. So the first step is to stop them. Baking soda does this instantly. It raises the pH, making your mouth alkaline. It shatters the bacterial colonies by changing their entire environment. And the best part? It's perfectly safe. Your own saliva naturally produces sodium bicarbonate. This has virtually no side effects. The second ingredient you need is 3% hydrogen peroxide. You've seen that brown bottle at the pharmacy. This is the cleanup crew. It's powerfully antifungal, especially against candida, and it directly destroys those biofilms. And what's fascinating is that, just like baking soda, hydrogen peroxide is also naturally found in your saliva. Your own cells use it as a major weapon to kill bacteria. So all we're doing here is just amplifying what your body already knows how to do, just in a slightly larger amount. Here's the formula. Take a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of the 3% hydrogen peroxide. Dissolve them both in half a cup of water. After you brush with your normal toothpaste, just use this as a mouthwash. Swish it for 30 seconds, then spit it out. Do this regularly and you'll see the tartar just stops forming. The shine on your teeth will come back. That chronic bad breath problem, it disappears. But now I want to give you the next step. This is the deeper insight. Recent research has uncovered a powerful connection between vitamin K2 and tartar. This is the real game changer. Vitamin K2 works with vitamin D3, and its entire job is to stop decalcification. It tells calcium where to go. It keeps calcium in your teeth and bones and pulls it out of your soft tissues. When you have enough K2, the bacteria simply don't have the free-floating calcium to build their housing developments in the first place. While I'll be making a full video on vitamin K2 soon, you can also support this process in other ways. If you chew gum, make sure it's sweetened with xylitol, which has anti-biofilm properties and stops bacteria from sticking. You can also use cloves, oregano oil, or even rosemary oil, a powerful herb with incredible antimicrobial properties. And in your food, make sure to use turmeric and cinnamon. The curcumin in turmeric is a powerful phytonutrient that offers amazing properties, even protecting against diabetic complications. This isn't just about clean teeth, it's about rebalancing your entire oral ecosystem. So stop just scrubbing the surface, start changing the environment, start taking back control from the inside out. What's one thing you've always been told about dental health that never seemed to work for you? Let me know in the comments below.